Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you go over how to cook with spaghetti. Cooking delicious spaghetti is simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. We'll cover everything from selecting the right pasta to achieving that perfect al dente texture. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a satisfying meal that your family and friends will love. Let's dive in and make some amazing pasta together. To start, grab a large pot and fill it with plenty of water. This gives your spaghetti room to move and cook evenly. Don't forget to add a generous amount of salt, about 1 tablespoon for every 4 quarts of water, to season the pasta from the inside out. Once the water is at a rolling boil, add your spaghetti and stir occasionally. Cook it according to the package instructions, usually for about 8 to 12 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Now for the exciting part, pairing your spaghetti with a delicious sauce. The beauty of spaghetti is its versatility. You can go classic with a rich marinara, a vibrant pesto, or a creamy carbonara. For the best flavor, always toss your freshly cooked spaghetti directly with the warm sauce in a large pan. This allows the pasta to absorb all those wonderful flavors, creating a cohesive and incredibly tasty dish. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Here are a couple of final tips to elevate your spaghetti dish. Before draining, remember to reserve about half a cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is fantastic for loosening your sauce if it's too thick, helping it cling beautifully to the spaghetti. Also, avoid rinsing your cooked pasta, as this washes away the starches that help the sauce adhere. Serve your masterpiece immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and grated Parmesan cheese, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.